going on YouTube? Cody back here with, I think, R.H.E.C boys. Yes, that's our YouTube channel name. Done forgot the daggum thing. Ain't been on here in a while. I was gonna make a video over my truck that I got not too long ago. It's 92 Ford Ranger. And man, this thing, I love it. So here she is. Boy, it's cold in Tennessee this morning. Doing a walk around, then I'll show you the interior. I mean, nice diamond plate toolbox. Alright, here's the inside. You probably can't see it that well because of the sun, but you know, we just put a stereo in it. We put some floor mats in it, me and my dad has, and put me a horn. I'll let you hear it in a minute. I put me a turkey beard up. Crap, let's see. Got me one of them. Oh, we ain't gonna. We're going to get some seat covers. But we don't want to pay for them right now because you got to go to the parts store and order them because these seats are odd. So they're like $100-something if you order them. So we gotta, for now, we got a camouflage moving quilt on the seat right now, and that's what we got for the seat cover. We had to put this new dash piece in it because the old man who had it broke the daggone thing. Right there is a piece of it. He broke the daggone thing, so we had to get one of them, bearing couple, and then he also broke the daggum we had to replace this because the old man broke the glove box. Got me a nice looking thing for the daggum gear shifter because I can't think of what to say. The old man had it for a work truck because look, here's a thing that you can, that's for a trailer, like I don't know what it's called. Gosh, dude, I'm a country boy and I don't even know what this is called, man. It's for hook up a trailer. But the overhead is a daggum Confederate flag because the old man also ripped the interior off there. It was on there, so me and my dad put one on there. And thing underneath it, underneath where the muffler or the exhaust is, got a gosh dang glass pack right there, and it curves off right at the end of the glass pack. Crap, can't even see it. Yeah, right there, it curves off from the glass pack, and that thing right there is loud. We put new mirrors on it because the old man also JB welded them on there. The old ones that was on it. See all that JB weld crap? But yeah, he JB welded them on there because they was broke. And stuff, so done that. Dadgummit, that seat cover. Oh, yeah, the seat cover. cousin Jeff what went by. Pop the hood for y'all. So truck right here. Hang on a minute. Gotta put y'all down somewhere because can't open this daggum hood of the truck. Alright, let me show you the motor in it. It's got a four cylinder I think in it. All factory. Got me a horn over there. We just hooked up not too long ago, and then these daggum little fog lights on this brush guard we hooked up to all of it. Yeah, this thing right here, me and my dad, we gotta find out where the daggum oil leak is. Cause see all this junk right here, you probably can't tell, but it's got all kind of freaking old oil in it. And so we're gonna have to figure out where that is. Well, y'all wanna hear my horn? Hang on a minute. Let me put y'all down, let y'all hear my horn. Gosh dang horn, man. I love it. Yeah, this is a work in progress truck. What it is, it's nothing major. It's just my first truck, you know. So it's good. I love it. There's my truck. Oh, we also put these daggum Ford rims on there, all chrome. It came off a newer model Ford Ranger, I think a 96 or a 97. Not for sure, but they came off with it. We bought them from a good buddy of ours, a good buddy of mine and my dad's, named Kevin. Bought them off him. So yeah, it's a little beater truck, what it is. I'm gonna get in here and get out of this daggum cold, because it's cold. I gotta get my daggum keys. Why didn't I think of that? What's going on, Uncle Bob? Boy, it's cold, ain't it? Yep. Boy, I wish it would get that hot. Yeah? Well, that's good. Well, I hope it does get that high. Well, I'm gonna get in the house because it's cold. Whew. I'm gonna get off here, upload this video. I still don't know how to daggum make an intro or, you know, edit these videos yet. But I'm gonna figure out how. My cousin Matthew, he daggum, he'll show you, but it'll take some time because he's just that way. So I'm gonna get off here and I'm gonna upload this video to YouTube on our channel. So come check us out. I think it's R.H.E.C boys. Yeah, R.H.E.C boys. We ain't a big channel yet. It's just only the second video I've made. I ain't got around to it yet. But yeah, R.H.E.C boys. It's gonna be great. Still gonna make good content for y'all. And hopefully, if it warms up this Saturday, I'll make a video in the old Ranger. So, yeah. I'll holler at y'all later. My name's Cody Simmons. This has been R.H.E.C. boys. And I guess I'll talk to y'all next time. See you later.